So you just got a new dust collector for your shop, but the problem is you don't have enough money to get a wireless clicker for it to turn it on and off remotely. Today I got the perfect solution for you that I've used in my shop for multiple years, and it actually works better than the $80 to $150 aftermarket ones you can purchase. Today I'm going to show that to you. Before I get started, I'd like to ask that you please like this video and subscribe to my channel. With that being said, let's get started. This is the Woods remote outlet switch. I purchased it several years ago at my local hardware store and have been using it since then. I use it for my dust collector 100% of the time, and I actually bought one of the $80 to $100 normal switches, and I switched back to this because I love the operation. One thing that I did purchase to add to it is this little lanyard. There's nothing special about it, but as you'll see in a second, it allows me to hang it above my table saw so I can easily pull it down for quick access. It also has this nice clip, so I can clip it anywhere I'd like to. All you have to do is plug the switch into an electrical outlet and then plug your dust collector into the other side. This light illuminates when you turn the dust collector on. I always position the remote like so, right by my table saw, because that's where I do about 90% of my cuts. And we've got the little clip back here I was telling you about. That's really nice to hook onto here. This is actually where I hang an air hose at, so I can blow off my table saw if dust collects on there. And I just clip this on, like so. The nice thing about having the lanyard is all I gotta do is reach down, pull it down, hit my button, and everything's on. Now let's give it a shot. As you can see, the little red light illuminated on the switch. This is very helpful so you know if you have your dust collection system on or off when you have your earmuffs on and you're at the saw. And as you can see, when I deactivate it, the light goes off. Well, I hope this wireless system helps you enhance the capacity of your shop. I purchased it for under $15. I'm going to put a link to it in the comments below. Clicking on the link will help support this channel. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I got a lot of great content like this. I love making for you, the viewer. Also, let me know what you thought about this video in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you have to say or what other topics you would love to see me create. If you're into dust collection, I have a video on how to get any dust collector and make it so it exhausts outside the walls of your shop and eliminates having a filtration system altogether. I know a lot of people purchase $200 aftermarket filters and this eliminates it. It's definitely something worth checking out. Also, if you have a Harbor Freight dust collector, I have a video on how to upgrade the impeller for $100 and it almost doubles your CFM. With that being said, have a great day. Thanks for watching.